Introducing the A25 PRO, a next-level aerial photography drone that brings together advanced stabilization, ultra-high-resolution imaging, and a built-in touchscreen control system for a truly professional flight experience. At the heart of the A25 PRO is a powerful 8K Ultra HD camera, capable of capturing stunning detail from the sky. Whether you're filming wide-open landscapes, tight urban shots, or action-packed scenes, the 8K resolution ensures your footage is incredibly sharp, vibrant, and cinematic. To support such precision imaging, the drone features a 3-axis mechanical stabilization gimbal, delivering buttery smooth video by mechanically compensating for pitch, roll, and yaw. But the A25 PRO doesn't stop there. It also includes electronic anti-shake, ICE, technology, further enhancing your shots by digitally reducing micro vibrations. The result? Rock-steady, professional-grade footage, even in windy or unstable conditions. One of the A25 PRO's standout features is its built-in touchscreen remote control system. No need to attach your phone, everything is integrated. The bright, responsive touchscreen display gives you a live FPV feed, real-time telemetry, and full access to camera settings and flight modes, all in one convenient controller. This drone is designed not just for creators, but for anyone who demands a stable, intelligent, and immersive flying experience. Whether you're a filmmaker, YouTuber, outdoor explorer, or hobbyist looking to level up your gear, the A25 PRO has everything you need packed into one foldable, portable design. Key features recap: 8K UHD camera for ultra-detailed photo and video capture. 3-axis mechanical gimbal stabilization for smooth, stable footage. Electronic anti-shake, ICE, for additional digital image stabilization. Built-in touch screen controller, no phone required. Real-time FPV video feed directly on the touch display. Foldable and portable design, perfect for travel and outdoor shoots. Multiple intelligent flight modes, including follow me, orbit, and waypoint navigation. Stable hovering, easy controls, ideal for both pros and beginners. Bullseye, perfect for aerial filmmakers and content creators. Drone photography and cinematography, vloggers, travel influencers and explorers. Real estate and surveying, outdoor adventure documentation. Anyone looking for 8K quality plus advanced stabilization. Clapperboard, film smarter, fly smoother, create without limits, with the A25 PRO drone.